So I'm just going to do a tester to show you the essential steps that you should be using in photography. So if I'm not there, you don't have to read any instructions, you can just watch this video. So let's begin. The first thing that you should do in Photoshop is use the crop tool. The crop tool is, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth tool down. And up the top of the screen, you've got a ratio. So if you put in the ratio 21, 29.7, that'll give you an A4 page. As you can see, it's a vertical format at the moment. If I want it to be horizontal format, I just click onto these arrows in between. I can then crop my photo to be how I like it. If I need to extend my photo out so that I do not chop off any parts that I don't want, I can do that and I can tick the box. I'll show you how to fill in these black boxes later. So that's step number 1.